Live and direct with Raggo Zulu Rebel, chilling with my homeboy DJ Ozz G on the ones and twos from London all the way to Ireland, Galway. Boom back.
You're in the mix with Angolans scratch DJs with A suckers.
DJ Ozz, you're unbelievable.
I woke up this morning, I wiped the NBA out my eyes and I looked at the. I woke up this morning, I wiped the NBA out my eyes and I looked at the. I woke up this morning, I wiped the NBA out my eyes and I looked at the. I woke up this morning, I wiped the NBA out my eyes and I looked out the window. And when I saw the sun shining down and I saw the little kids going to school and I could hear the birds tweeting, that's when I had to recognize that life is the greatest thing, you get me? You just have to see it and recognize that. Jano, yo. Sunshine after the rainfall, sometimes hard, painful. I give thanks, grateful, even through the hard times, still had a plate full. I never had gums that were labeled, and I never knew what one on cable. I said my prayers, faithful, that the Lord have mercy, graceful, carried me from a babe in the cradle. Hope he saves me a seat at his table, gave me a baby and I cut the cord to the navel. 2 lion cubs, 1 angel. Burn me an 8-ball, kick back and watch the game play like baseball. Muslim Jew, I praise Jesus, to Jesus Jar Allah, we all pay dues.
Although the state of my mind, on my daily track they wanna fight me. I just lift my eyes to the firmament, not say power mighty. Yes, best believe he guides me and make me know everything will be airy once I meditate and strive to live highly. Greater than great, not so can.
Open your eyelids, don't recognize it, that's why they try fight it. But life is priceless, like blood diamonds, white sand on the islands. Sun, moon and stars give I man the guidance. Open your eyelids, don't recognize it, that's why they try fight it. But life is priceless, like blood diamonds, white sand on the islands. Sun, moon and stars give I man the guidance.
Although the state of things might be, on my daily track they wanna fight me. I just lift my eyes to the firmament, not confirm say Jah powerful and mighty. Yes, best believe he guides me and make me know everything will be airy once I meditate and strive to live highly. Greater than great, that's all I can be.
Everywhere I see more things to give thanks for. Seems like more wars all they have planned for. Pop down the planet, tint out the back door. Start the 3rd and 4th World War. 1/3 rich against the 2/3 poor. Gave me a passport and the whole world, what more can I ask for? Please, show some love, we feel it have an art for.